This older rental house was built from a Sears catalog and for some reason was built with zero forms of ventilation in the roof, which caused moisture to be trapped between the drywall and the roof, causing some mold and some obvious warping of the interior drywall of the attic. Our job is to fix the attic so the property can be put back onto the market. Our solution was to start with ripping out all of the old drywall and all of the old insulation. The upstairs at this point was a good 20 to 30 degrees warmer than the outside air temperature, which made this work in the heat of the summer even better. And then we headed to the roof, where we removed the roof cap and created a gap at the ridge for air to enter. We then put ridge vents across the top and put new caps on all of them.
Work is fun, but I want to take a video.
Actually start doing it.
We then went inside to the exposed roof framing and sprayed all of the mold and areas of concern with a mold killer and a preventer, which worked wonders. And then we dried it off and painted a layer of sealant primer over those spots to protect it even more. After fixing cracked boards in the roof, we put foam insulation barrier between the roof and the insulation to allow airflow from the eaves to the ridge. We then installed all of our insulation and then got to work on our drywall work. We tried to do this job as cheap as possible, so we got creative with our drywall work. After all the drywall was put up, we mudded, and then we decided to mix drywall mud with a Kills primer to put a good textured first layer of paint and mud. This saved us time and a big mess with using a texturing gun. We put a second layer of textured mud with a textured roller and a texturing tool to get the desired result. We then put up some trim and caulk the exposed portions of drywall and holes to make it as seamless as possible. We then put vents in the eaves to create airflow, which had a dramatic difference in air temp in the attic. This is the final result.